Okay, so the task at hand now is to remove this. Now, how you're normally meant to remove this is that you push it in, twist it, and now that it's twisted and pushed in, you then pull on this, and as you pull this, it would come out. But as you can see, mine doesn't come out, and it's stuck, and I don't know how to unstick it. So I'm going to try and unstick it, and if all fails, I'm just going to destroy it and try and get it out when it's destroyed. Does it just push out now? Surely it does, right? Yes. There we go. Now it's out, and it's completely destroyed. So now this is destroyed, you can go ahead and unclip the harness, like so. Give you guys a better view of it now. Harness plugged into there. This is now destroyed, garbage, useless. I'll reiterate again, you only need to do this if your one is stuck in there and can't come out the original way it's meant to. And you might want to be a bit more gentle around the edge. So I'll bring you a bit closer. But as you can see, I have absolutely destroyed the outer edge of this thing. So I may buy a new one of these at some point. But for now, this should do. So I'm going to get the new one of these that goes in there. The new one right here with a small plug at the back, and comes with this other box inside. Which is the main box that's gonna plug into the little one, and the big connector here is gonna plug into this. Then you take out the plastic wrapping. So you got the sensor here to sense when it's daytime and nighttime, right there. You got the plug here to go into the thing, and obviously this main box. It's all plug and play, so I'm just gonna plug it in, check and see if it works, and hopefully it does. I'm gonna push it back out through here and connect it out here, because we're gonna push it all back behind the dash. So that can now plug back in, like so. We're going to undo this connection again as well. We're going to push this back through here and bring this wire through the hole, this multi-coloured one. That back in there, and then bring this wire up through the hole, like so, and then we can plug this back in. I'm sorry if the camera angles are bad. I can't actually see the screen to see what this is capturing, but I know it's generally focusing in this area. Right, so you've got that in. I'm going to push this wire back out there and slap this in place. Alright, it fits in there. It's quite loose, probably because I damaged the entire outside of this thing. But if I push this one in and turn it, this one pops right out, how it should do. And put it back in there. It's in there now. It's a bit wobbly because obviously I destroyed this, but it's in there. So now I'm going to run this up So this is just pointing out the window up here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I will show you briefly. Come on. I'm just gonna figure out where I want this to sit roughly. Should be right down. Roughly somewhere there. I'm just gonna undo the tape, YOLO it, stick it down. Hope it's in a good position. Like right there. I'm gonna press this into the side here. Just tuck it under here for the time being. We'll make that look neater at a later date. I'm gonna grab the side panel, pop this back on. Lovely. The interior lights and stuff like these all come on with the auto headlight, which is good. It does what it's meant to do. The headlights always stay on, so like even if let me just turn on the car now. Shut the door. So car's on, you had to click. All these lights are on, which means, and it's on auto, which means that it sees it's dark outside. It's turned on the lights. The actual headlights, those, whether it was on the off position on the old car or it was on the on position like that, those lights always just stayed on. So in terms of looks outside, nothing changes out there. Like those lights always just stay the same. It's mainly just the dash and these lights. Like if I put it to the off position, you'll see this is what it would normally look like in the off position, how it should do now. But with the auto one, it just senses that it's dark outside and turns on these lights. Whereas actual headlights themselves, those always just stayed on anyway. And now this lights up as well with the auto because it senses that it's dark. So the only real feature that I'm looking to get from this is the coming home feature. So if I add that, as I said, I'll make a short, put the link in the description to this video as well when I get around to doing that. But if I can't do it, then there won't be any shorts or anything like that based on it. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and until next time, peace.